In this video, we're going to look at some activities and activity in Chapter 3 for System Utilities. We're going to look at Activity 3-3, Managing Program Files. For Activity 3-3, Managing Program Files, or Managing Programs, the Program category in Control Panel contains applets that let you manage the installation and removal of applications and Windows components. In this activity, you view the install applications and Windows components. To get started on this activity, we're going to go down to the Start menu, go to Control Panel, and we're first going to go look at Programs and Features. Under Programs and Features, these are all the programs that are installed on your computer. If I want to go look at View Installed Updates, we can click on that one and wait for it to catalog what's there. These are all of the service packs that are currently installed. We could potentially remove any of these that we wish to remove. These are all the only updates that are available. If we go back to features on and off, we would hit OK on that. I think I clicked on the wrong button there. Let me just these are features that we could then look at. Of course, with the activity for this one, we're not going to be looking in this area, but you could go in here and look at other applications that are automatically installed with your operating system. In the area here where programs are physically installed, we could also go into any of these programs. Let's say that we wanted to get rid of this program there. We could uninstall that one. Now we're going to go back to the control panel according to this activity 3-3. I'm going to go back twice, and then we're going to go look at default programs. Every program that's running on a computer has an extension file on it, and those extension files tell the operating system what application to open up first. So we're going to first go up here and set your default programs. Give it a second to open up. In this area, these are the default programs that would be used. Like, for example, Internet Explorer 8 provides an easier way to, well, that's an opinion. Set this program as default. We could use that as the default program for all web surfing. Let's go back one and go look at associate files. Here's the one I actually wanted to click on earlier: associate file types and protocols. All right. So on the extension files, these are the extensions of every file that exists, the file types. For example, the one that the book wants us to manage would be this .bmp file. I have a file out here. This is a bitmap file. I can tell it's a bitmap file by right-clicking on that file and going to Properties, and I should be able to see. Here's second. It's under General. We can see that this is a bitmap file, and here's a bitmap file here. It's a .bmp. This is the extension. If I double click on this, it shows me that the Windows Photo Viewer should be the one that opens up this file. Let's test that. We'll go double click on this, and we got the Windows Photo Viewer opens that file up. But if we wanted to change the file, the program that opens up that file, we could just double click on it, or another thing we could do is click on it and then go change program, and let's change it to Paint. Once it's done making that configuration, when I go here and click on this BMP file that I clicked on, now we have the Paint file. The Paint program is now opening that file up. So we can do that across the board for all kinds of different programs. We don't have a lot of options on this operating system I'm working on, but I did download a BMP file and saved it as a BMP file, and then we changed that from opening up in Windows media file to Paint. And what I meant to say by that was it was set to open up as in Windows Photo Viewer, and we changed it to open up as Paint. So we could change that back, and we can see that what it's going to be opened up as. Also right here, the Windows Photo Viewer. Okay, so in this activity 3-3, managing programs, we looked at the control panel under programs that are installed, and we also looked at the updates that the programs that the operating system has on it, and how we can uninstall those updates. We also looked at the file extensions and how to change the file extensions with a .bmp file. Okay, thanks so much.